notifications whenever we upload a new video. In today's video, we are going to be talking about why do mom and dad send children message. Yesterday, my mom asked me to charge her phone, before then to get her drinking water, before then to make her bed, before then to clean her bag. But why? Today, my mom asked me to make her bed, before then to get her drinking water, before then to clean her bag, before then to arrange her shoe. But why? Look at our hand, so small, and God gave parents big hand and big leg. When we are walking, she's always relaxing. But why? But why?
Darena and Kiana, we do chores at home so we can learn. Do you want to grow up not knowing how to do anything in the house?
No.
Mommy told me of a 14-year-old girl that still kneels down to sweep her house. Is it good?
No.
Let me tell you a story. One day, I was surprised to see Mommy dressing her bed, and I asked her, so why do you send me to dress your bed? And she said, so that I can learn.
Oh, I now understand why you should help in the house, so you can learn.
So my future stars, you see now why it's good to help in the house, so that you can learn. Remember, practice makes perfect.
Thanks guys for watching this video, and I hope you subscribe and share with your friends. See you soon.